Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by enabling the phone hotspot and configuring SSID plus a secure password so the Quest can find it. Once done, make sure your phone's tethering is active and cellular data is on. This is why you check your plan limits up front. Now, put on the Quest 2, press the Oculus button, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. If you don't see networks, toggle the headset Wi-Fi off and on to force a scan. You'll select the phone SSID from the Quest Wi-Fi menu and enter the password exactly. Capitalization matters. Once connected, the headset may request captive portal acceptance. If so, open the browser and accept terms. If pairing fails, make the hotspot visible or briefly switch security to WPA2, then revert after success. Also, reduce phone background traffic and disable large updates, so your Quest gets more stable bandwidth for streaming and downloads. Finish by launching the store or a quick app to verify connectivity and latency. This confirms downloads will work. If the headset keeps dropping, make sure the phone won't sleep or kill the hotspot, and enable device priority if available in your carrier settings. When things go wrong, reboot both devices, retype the password, and try the alternate band. 5 GHz often reduces interference while 4 GHz reaches farther. That single troubleshooting tip solves most tethering hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.